Today, it's my pleasure to tell you about myself. It's the same guy as I talked to you for the first time. My name is Cristo Alvaro, and my cousin liked this name so much, so my cousin just put this name to me, and I'm really preferring this kind of name because I think it's important to me too. If I put this name, they will say I'm a Spanish boy because I'm a kind of man who likes Spanish so much. So this time I would like to tell you one thing about studying Spanish. And I'm very proud of my life that I study Spanish and I can speak Spanish. But this time I want to just introduce myself first. Yeah, I'm actually living in Cambodia, but the thing that I really the thing that I really notice the most is that a man who can speak Spanish and he can also speak he can also speak three other languages like German or like English or French, and mostly, Spanish is just the second international language. But in Cambodia, nobody really thinks that this language is actually uh, spoken officially in Asia because Chinese is a very prestigious country. So Chinese people, they may go to everywhere throughout Asia. So that's why Chinese is supposed to be the second international language. But actually, yeah, Spanish is the second because we don't know about the population, about the number of people in the world. You can only know that Chinese, so China has more than 1,000 million people. That's why they say Chinese is the second international language. But it's not for sure because Chinese has no alphabet, so it makes it difficult for people to study this language. But Spanish is just a language that is easily learned by many people around the world because in the West there are many countries speaking only this language because we know exactly that Mexico, yeah, some countries like Mexico, Argentina, Chile, Venezuela, all of them were colonized by the powerful Spain because Spain were in the past it was a country who had mighty, I wanted to say that Spanish people are very prestigious too, and that's why they were able to control many countries in the West, not only just in American continent, but also in Africa. There are two countries that speak Spanish too, and Portuguese and Spanish are not so different. That means they are so similar. That's why this language is not so bad for people to learn, and it is very meaningful to me. So this is the first session that I would like to speak English. Then I will download it to YouTube, and the second session I will speak Spanish because I think I will be interesting to people because some people that know Spanish, not just the people that just my friend that don't know English. So yeah, thanks for your attention for this video, and I'm really happy to speak Spanish too. Okay, that's all for you, and it's okay. Yeah, this is the time that I feel like I'm speaking a foreign language. So they all know that this is a language which is known around the world. Okay, see you next time.